Hello students, this video is basically based on heading levels of your HTML and it is for standard 11 standard for ID subject for all the streams like arts, commerce and science students. So today we are going to see the heading levels which are the heading tags which we use in HTML programming to give a specific heading. So in total there are 6 heading tags from H1 to H6. Okay. So the first heading tag, that is the H1 heading tag, is the largest size heading tag, whereas the H6 heading tag is the smallest size heading tag. Okay. Gradually the size of your heading tags are going to decrease from H1 to H6. So any type of heading, if you want to give it on your web page on an HTML output, then you can use a heading tag. So this is the program related to heading tag. So we'll do this program, and whatever you write in the heading tag, anything, whatever you write in your heading tag will be displayed in a bold letter. Okay, you will get it as a bold letter. So let us perform a practical on it. So we'll start with HTML first. HTML. Then comes your head. Then comes your title. So whatever you write in the title bar, inside this title bar will be appeared on the title bar as an output. So आप जब भी title bar में लिखते हो तो वो it doesn't display on the output screen. Okay. So this is related to heading tags. So I'm giving the title as heading tags. So this in this program we'll understand the concept of heading tag. ठीक है? So head के बाद we'll start with the body section. And then we are going to start with our heading tags like H1. So the first heading tag is the H1. So this is the heading tag 1 which has the largest size. ठीक है? Largest size. जो भी font है ना जो आप इसमें लिखते हो वो बहुत ही large size में display हो जाएगा. Okay. तो next is your heading tag number 2. ठीक है? So this will be the heading tag 2, heading tag 2, which will gradually decrease its size. Okay. Then will come your heading tag 3. So this is also going to be a smaller size than your heading tag 1 and 2. Okay. So next is your heading tag 4. So there are in total only 6 heading tags. Heading tag 4. So you have to end each and every heading tag because this is a type of container tag. Okay, they are the paired tag which has to be ended at a specific time interval. So this is about H5, and now the last heading tag is your heading tag number 6. So this is the heading tag number 6. So this is the smallest heading tag. Okay, this is the smallest size tag. So I'll be ending this tag, and then we'll be ending the body, and also we'll end the HTML tag. So this is all about the program which we have done related to the heading tag. So let us see the output for this program. So I'll just save it, save as heading. So I'll just save it as header.html. Okay, any program whichever you do and you want it to run on the browser, so that specific program has to be saved with .html extension. Then and then only you'll get an output on the browser. Okay, so here you can see that you'll get an output of heading tags with gradually different sizes. So the thing what has happened over here is the title tag. We haven't ended the title tag. So what will happen if we don't end the title tag? All the things will be displayed on the title bar as you can see in this video. So after saving this file, now you can see that we'll get an exact output. So any type of small mistake like slash line, any type of small mistake can let your program, means you'll get a different output. You will not get a correct output. So you can see H1, this tag is the largest size, whereas H6 is the smallest size. And you can see all these fonts are in bold letters. Okay. Now these fonts are also having a alignment section. Okay. So here they have said that you can also give an align to your H1 to H6, all your header tags. So let us give some alignment for it. So now if I give, basically you know alignments are of 3 types. So if I give head 1 as alignment as center, so definitely it will be coming in the center. Okay, I'll just save this program and we'll see the output now. So after giving the alignment for this particular program, that is your H1, so we have given this alignment is equals to center. So you'll see that we'll get an output. See, so this is your heading tag H1 and you can give the alignments likewise. Now here if I give the alignment, by default the alignment will always be left. Okay, but if you want, you can give the alignment as right also. So now here for H3 I have given the alignment as right. So let us see the output. So you can see that heading tag H3 has moved in the rightwards direction. So this is the center alignment for H1 tag. H2 tag by default it is left alignment, and H3 tag by default means we have changed the alignment, that is the right alignment. So this is the output of the program which we have performed. So all of you please perform these programs at your home as in practical part. So this is all about the heading tags. So in total we have 6 heading tags. Basically we use the heading tags to give the headings, and whatever we write in the heading tags are displayed in the bold letters. Okay, we can also give them the alignments. There are total 3 types of alignments, that is left, right and center. So according to your requirement, you can give the alignments to your heading tags. So this is all about the heading tags. Please do watch the video completely and subscribe the channel. Thank you all of you.